Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today, I will show you a tutorial about how to back up the system data. Okay, let's start. Sign in into the system, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. On the left bottom corner, click the block named System. You will find that the backup. Click it. Here is the backup page. The center area will list out the file, which is backup before. You can use the backup to download, or restore the system back to the backup point. Now, let's start to back up the system. On the top of page, input the remark to describe this backup. For example, the first backup. After clicking the backup button, the system will go to suspend. And the system will run a backup process in the background. Now, the system has been suspended and showed the backup process status. The backup time is depending on the system data size. You can wait it and press F5 periodically to reload the status, or leave it directly. After the process is completed, a backup completed notification email will be sent to the user that the system backup is completed, and available resumed. Go back to the backup file list. This is a download icon to download the backup as local files. This is a delete icon, to delete the file, if the backup is too old. This is a restore icon, to restore the system and go back to the backup time. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.